Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how vitamin D tablets are made. First, manufacturers carefully select the active vitamin D ingredient, which is typically cholecalciferol or ergocalciferol. They also source various inactive ingredients, known as excipients, such as binders, fillers, and disintegrants. All these raw materials undergo rigorous testing to ensure they meet strict quality and purity standards before moving to the next stage of production. This initial step is crucial for product safety and efficacy. Next, the active vitamin D is carefully combined with the chosen excipients in precise, measured ratios. These ingredients are then thoroughly mixed in large industrial blenders for a period of about 20 to 30 minutes, ensuring a perfectly uniform powder blend. Following this, a granulation process occurs, often involving the addition of a liquid binder to form small, consistent granules. This step is vital for improving the powder's flow properties and ensuring consistent tablet weight. Once the granules are ready, they are fed into a sophisticated tablet press machine. This machine applies immense pressure, often several tons per square inch, to compact the granules into individual tablets. During this process, critical parameters like tablet weight, hardness, and thickness are precisely controlled. This ensures each tablet contains the correct dosage of vitamin D and maintains consistent physical properties, which is essential for quality. Finally, many vitamin D tablets receive a thin, protective film coating. This coating helps to protect the active ingredient, improves the tablet's stability, and makes it much easier to swallow. After coating, the tablets undergo rigorous quality control checks, including tests for appearance, dissolution rate, and potency. Once approved, the finished tablets are carefully packaged into bottles or blister packs, ready for distribution to consumers.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.